tastes gross. It's an acquired taste. Hey guys, this is Jeff with Fluent American, and in this video we're going to be looking at
formal and informal
ways to say the same thing. Now, as you hear these expressions, you're also going to see that I'm going to identify one key word in each phrase. This is the word that you want to stress. If you're not sure what stress is, you really need to check out our videos on stress, but this is the word that you want to try to have
the highest
pitch on, and it's also the word that you want to try to hold
the longest.
Occasionally there may be a phrase or two that has multiple stresses, and in different situations you may move it in different places, but in general this is where you're going to want to put some emphasis. Give it to me. Could you give it to me? Get out of here. You can't be serious. He's lazy. He's not the most motivated. Stop it. Would you mind? That sucks. That didn't go well. Shut up. Could you be a little quieter? Go away. I just need some space. Hey guys, are you learning something new? Let me know by liking and subscribing. Help me out. Could you give me a hand? Thanks, I owe you. I really appreciate it. What's wrong? Is there something I can help you with? He's broke. He can't afford it. That's ugly. It's not the most attractive. It's taking forever. It's taking longer than we expected. What? Could you say that again? My bad. My apologies. It's boring. There are other things I would rather do. What a jerk. What a horrible person. I don't like him. He's not my favorite person. Still not quite sure what stress is? Then you need to check out this video here.